Hi everyone, my name's Elizabeth Withy. I'm a writer with the Edmonton Journal. We here at the newspaper wanted you to have a happy, worry-free Thanksgiving. So we decided to create a therapeutic video to alleviate your concerns about the state of the world. Over the past week, we've solicited your feedback on what's worrying you most. Maybe it's swine flu, maybe it's climate change, maybe it's unemployment. And then we decided to write those worries on pumpkins and destroy them. Yes, many pumpkins were harmed in the making of this video. I encourage you not to try this at home, and I also want you to know that some viewers may find this disturbing, especially pumpkin lovers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi, I'm Frank Florian, Director of Public Programs at the Tallest World of Science, and this over here is
Matthew Green.
And we're here to actually destroy a pumpkin using liquid nitrogen and this big hammer.
My name is Tam Anderson, and I'm a pumpkin farmer at Prairie Gardens next to Bonnecourt, Alberta, just outside of Edmonton. And we're going to blow a pumpkin up for climate change because it's getting tougher and tougher to grow pumpkins with this kind of weather. 3, 2, 1, fire!
Fire for climate change! Oh! Go.
Hello there, my name is Dr. Roy Jensen with Grant MacEwan College. Today we're going to be blowing up a few pumpkins, and I just want to inform you, please don't try this at home. We are taking all the appropriate safety precautions. Well, that's why I like my job.